welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back. And if you're new, please subscribe, become an alley cat. We even have our own theme song. And if you know, you know. Watch my last video. So one day I was grocery shopping and I was wearing this shirt. And some old man just shrieked at me and he was like, "Oh, you look like a baby angel." So ever since then I feel like a baby angel when I put this shirt on. I tell the story because it's fitting with this makeup look. I'm doing an angelic Valentine's Day makeup. Something inspired by Cupid and the clouds and hearts and the way you feel when you're in love. Oh, that's so cheesy. But yeah, that's what this video is going to be, and let's just get into it. Let's do this. Ooh, I'm ready. Ooh. Okay, so this is the look. I wanted to do something fun and a little more creative and playful because that's just who I am. This is definitely like an aesthetic on Instagram. Crazy amount of blush with little hearts or clouds or stars, whatever it is, as freckles. I think it's super cute. I tend to just grab onto everyone else's aesthetics, so because I can appreciate like a whole variety of aesthetics. And I appreciate this one too. I think it's cool. And I wanted to put like a Valentine's Day twist on it. This look was inspired by Cupid and angel wings. So I wanted to do something like your head is in the clouds, your heart is in the clouds. I don't know what I'm saying. But thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Please continue to watch my videos. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I upload every Friday. I failed this last Friday, but I'm gonna be back on track. I'm gonna be back on track, I promise. I'm sorry about that. I have so many videos planned, like some really fun and cool ideas, and I don't know, I'm just really excited about them, so I want you guys to be excited too. And if you have a request, let me know. Like if you want me to do a specific look, if you want me to try out different aesthetics, I would love to do that. I think that would be so cool. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. Bye.